Hi everyone, another situation here where we have, I'll show you the magic of InstantBond, all right? Instant quick fix. My holster here, of all things, has broken away and is broken off. So, very quickly, put the accelerator on one side, so it's activated, and now the adhesive on the other. Just be careful here, and don't get it on your hands. We'll put it right into that crack. Okay, right there like that. Let it flow in there. And now, hold it in place. Let's spray the top. I've done this before many times. This is an incredible hold. It will not ever break there again, okay? So, again, there we have it, nice and hard. As you can see, this is fixed, all right? So, back into action. That is the magic of InstantBond. You can't do this with anything else, all right? So, back into action, and for InstantBond, till next time.